Right, so we've got our random movement and we've got our arrow key movement done, and we've set up the world. So far, looking at marks wise, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 marks, 6 marks for moving, 7 marks for having the same number as the arrow keys, and then we've got 8 marks for the arrow key movement. Okay, so we're about halfway there. Now what we need to do now is get it so the zombie hunter picks up a med pack. Now, depending on the brief, it's really important you read this. If the thing it collides with wants to play a sound, you can do E and F together, so playing the sound. However, in this one, you're picking up med packs and you want to play a sound every time you touch a zombie, not a med pack. So in some games, it plays a sound when you collect a coin or something. There's like the Mario ping sound. That means you can do E and F together. In this case, we can't. So I'll do them separately. So first things first, we need to be in our zombie hunter code. So underneath all of your movement, what we need to do, it's not a difficult amount of code. There's a couple of ways of doing it. There's one way you can use the getInSensedObjects class, and there's another way of doing it where you can just use an if statement and one more line of code. So we're going to go with the easy way. So you've got a nice if statement there. Again, looking back at selection. So if you control space, you're looking for is touching, and it wants a class as a parameter. So if I'm touching, and it's really important you spell this right, medpack.class. If I'm touching that, what I need to do is remove that object. So if you control space, you're looking for remove touching, and then put in medpack.class. Now, if you needed to, because the brief was different to this one, you can put your sound file there, but in this case, I'm just going to compile that, and hopefully when I touch a med pack, it should disappear. So I've collected my 2 med packs, and that part of the game is done.